Amazon have decided to add a 20% VAT tax rate to my book.
Yeah.
Most high content books are obviously, well, in the UK, they're 0 rated.
Yeah.
So they've said it's because, so basically within my book, I've got all the content I've written.
Yeah.
And then next to each adventure, essentially, it's called Offline Adventures. So next to each adventure, it's got a page where somebody can write in what they've done on that adventure so they can remember and use it as their own kind of written notes on it.
Yeah.
Because of that, I think Amazon are basically seeing it as, oh, you write in it, it's a notebook, and therefore it's a low content book, and therefore we're going to charge it at 20% VAT. We can't, as far as I can see, there's nothing I can do to change that other than push back and argue. But
isn't VAT charged no matter what?
No, well, yes, theoretically, but because books in the UK, high content books are 0 rated, it means we don't pay
0 rated
on books.
So have you messaged Amazon saying this is not a low content book?
Yeah.
And what have they said?
I did that. I pushed back and I said, and I explained, and I gave them, so our kind of government tax thing is called HMRC. So I pushed back and I said, look, this is what HMRC say about this. This book is majority of me writing stuff about it. Yes, it's got a page next to each page where somebody can fill it in. And they came back with a kind of not very detailed response saying our internal
that's
team checked it out.
Have you had Amazon call you?
No.
Have Amazon call you. So look, when you talk chat with Amazon, it's like you're talking to a monkey. Completely useless. When they call you though, you actually got somebody with brains.
Yeah. Okay.
I have so much more success doing stuff on the phone with Amazon than I do via text or email.
Right.
So I would highly suggest just get them on the phone, state your case, be like, hey, it's a high content book. I've added pages so people could fill stuff out. For some reason, Amazon's thinking it's low content, but by our government standards, it's not. It's high content, but they're mistakenly miscategorizing it. So this is probably a bigger problem. And you've probably done this with other books, but I don't care about those. I just would need mine fixed. And that person, like you're selling to that person is probably going to be able to help you more. Because the price, it's, so is it like, say it's like $9.99 and then they plus 20% they charge the customer?
Yeah.
Or is
it's exactly that price as well. So I put it on as $9.99 and now it's going out at like $11.99.
Okay. So you also got to remember this. Everyone's used to paying that over there.
Yeah, that's true. But if I wanted to put the price of the book up so that I get more profit, then it will be up higher. Like I would have put it to $11.99.
But isn't that life in the UK?
Yeah. Well,
right.
Yeah.
Right. That's life in the UK. So everyone's used to it. It's like pricing my books in Australia. I'm like, oh my God, this is like so much money. This is brutal. But I'm like, I'm not Australian. I don't live there. But they live there and they're used to this. So whatever. That's just it. That's life in the UK. That's life in Australia. There's higher prices, right? Canada's the same thing. We're taxed to oblivion as well. It's just that's Canadian life. So you can do that because I was going to tell you you're not running ads yet, right?
No, no.
Not yet because there's going to be a VAT on ads. There's going to be VAT on ads. You know how to get around that, right?
No, tell me.
Okay, so what you have to do is you just need to register yourself for VAT. And when you register yourself, it's free to register. When you register, you'll have a VAT number. At the end of the year, when you do your taxes, you can remit that and you'll get that amount back from the government.
Okay.
Right? Otherwise, you just end up paying VAT for no reason, but you do not have to pay that. You just have to be registered in order to get that back.